I'll be showing you how I installed my solar panels on the Maverick truck camper. I have two flexible 100 watt panels from New Power and Top Solar. The white one from New Power I actually had on another trailer, but I sold the trailer and kept the panel. I decided to use flexible panels on the Maverick camper because they are super lightweight and they also have a low profile. They have been working out very well for me. Before mounting the panels, I used my blower on the roof to clear any debris. I also could have wiped it with a rag, but I didn't, and thankfully they have been just fine. Once I got the panels situated on the roof, I flipped them over to reveal the sticky tape. Then I carefully positioned them as best I could and slowly laid them down. Then I pressed down with my hands to give the tape a good adhesion. I used heavy-duty, extreme, outdoor, double-sided sticky tape from Scotch. I'll include a link in the description. I've used this stuff before and it works very well. The main concern here is driving down the freeway at 70 miles an hour without having the solar panels fly off the roof. So I cut several 1-inch strips to spread it over each panel in order to secure it firmly to the roof. And I especially focused around the edges as those are the weakest points. The nice thing about the sticky tape is that it also helps create a very slight gap, of which I'm hoping for air and water to be able to run underneath. Though I realize it is a very slim gap and I should probably consider a way to increase it for improved air and water flow. And that's it. Double-sided sticky tape, spread out, clean the roof, and press down. It's actually been a few months since I installed them, and they have been working very well. So far, they haven't taken flight on the freeway, and that's a win in my book. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.